Hi, I'm PNC Joe, and I focus on the complexities of commercial insurance. Today, let's explore civil authority, a critical issue that impacts businesses during events like natural disasters or public safety emergencies. When civil authority orders lead to closures or restricted access, businesses face significant financial challenges, often struggling with loss of income and operational disruption. Navigating these situations requires understanding a tangle of legal, logistical, and economic factors that can be daunting for small business owners. Keep watching, because in this video, we will discuss these important topics. What is civil authority in insurance? What constitutes a civil authority order? How is the coverage period determined? What types of events trigger civil authority coverage? What is business interruption coverage? What is extra expense coverage? What is ingress-egress coverage? What is contingent business interruption? And a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Civil authority in insurance refers to a situation where a government or public authority restricts access to an area, usually due to a danger like a natural disaster or a security threat. This restriction can impact businesses as they might be unable to operate normally. Insurance policies sometimes include coverage for these situations to help businesses manage their losses. A civil authority order is an official directive from a government body that limits access to a specific area. For example, if a city is hit by a hurricane, the local government might issue an order that prevents people from entering certain neighborhoods to keep them safe. For the order to trigger insurance coverage, it often needs to be a direct result of physical damage to nearby property. The coverage period is the time during which the insurance will pay for losses. It typically starts after a waiting period, which is a short delay before the coverage kicks in. This waiting period can be 48 to 72 hours. The coverage continues until the civil authority lifts the order or until the maximum coverage limit is reached, which could be a set number of days. Events that trigger civil authority coverage usually involve physical damage to property close to the insured business. This can include natural disasters like earthquakes or man-made events like a terrorist attack. The key is that the event must lead to a government order restricting access to the area. Business interruption coverage helps a business recover lost income if it can't operate due to a covered event, like a fire or flood. When a civil authority order forces a business to close temporarily, this coverage can help replace lost revenue during the closure period. Extra expense coverage helps cover additional costs a business might incur to continue operating after a disruption. For example, if a restaurant can't open its main location, it might rent a temporary space to serve customers. This coverage can help pay for the extra expenses, such as rent for the new location. Ingress-egress coverage is about access. If a disaster blocks access to a business, even without an official order, this coverage may help. For example, if a flood washes out roads leading to a store, preventing customers from getting there, ingress-egress coverage can help cover the resulting losses. Contingent business interruption coverage provides protection if a business relies on another company that can't operate due to a covered event. For instance, if a supplier's factory is shut down by a civil authority order, leading to a shortage of products, this coverage can help offset the lost income for the dependent business. Loss of rental income coverage helps property owners recover lost rent if a civil authority order prevents tenants from accessing a property. For example, if an apartment building is in a restricted area due to a nearby chemical spill, the landlord might lose rental income, and this coverage can help replace it. Yes, civil authority coverage often has exclusions and limitations. For example, some policies might not cover losses from events like pandemics or war. It's important to read the policy carefully to understand what is and isn't covered. Additionally, there might be limits on the amount the policy will pay or how long it will provide coverage. I hope this exploration into civil authority coverage and its implications for businesses has been enlightening. Understanding the nuances of your insurance policy can significantly aid in navigating the challenges that arise during unforeseen disruptions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when protecting your business. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.